Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an image occupy exactly half of a page on your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Mastering this skill is vital if you want to effectively balance your text and visual content. Let's jump right into the process. To begin, navigate to the Weebly website and head to the Free Builder section. If you are new to this platform, you will find it very intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to create beautiful web pages without needing any coding skills. Once you arrive, log in using your registered email and password. This gives you access to the dashboard where all your site modifications happen. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to reach your project overview. From this section, find the Edit Site button next to the specific project you want to change and click it. This action launches the Weebly editor, giving you full control over your site's design and layout. Inside the editor, use the Site menu to navigate to the exact page you wish to modify. Once the page is open, click on the image you want to resize. You will notice a few tools appear, but you should specifically look for the small blue box located at the bottom right corner of the image. This is your resizing tool. Click and drag this blue handle to change the image size. It is usually best to drag toward the center to keep the image within your intended boundaries. Continue adjusting the dimensions until the image covers half the page. There you go. You have successfully resized your image to fill half the page on Weebly. This adjustment gives your site a more professional look and helps keep your visitors engaged with a balanced layout. I hope you found this brief guide helpful. Please feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful website tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy building on your Weebly site.